From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. 20,000 stranded Nigerians returned from Libya. Others, says report. Saraki calls for transparent, unbiased probe of Natasha Akpoti's allegation against Akpabio. Elite politicizing insecurity on social media lack empathy for the masses, says Ubasani. Now the news in detail. No fewer than 20,197 Nigerians stranded in various countries have voluntarily returned to their homeland, according to data collated from various repatriation exercises facilitated by the International Organization for Migration. The stranded Nigerians returned home to their country under the IOM's assisted voluntary return and reintegration program, which involved intervention from the federal government and various Nigerian missions abroad. Women and girls constitute nearly 88% of the returnees, while men account for 13%. Most of the victims fall within the age bracket of 18 to 39 years old, with those aged 18 to 25 being particularly susceptible to recruitment by traffickers. The agency also revealed that 19,452 Nigerians have been assisted to voluntarily return home between April 2017 and February 2022. Within the first quarter of 2024 alone, the IOM said it facilitated the return of 167 victims to Nigeria, 81% of whom were female. In other news, Bukola Saraki, former Senate President, has called for a transparent investigation into allegations at the heart of the clash between Godswill Akpabio and Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. The fray between Akpabio, the Senate President, and Akpoti-Uduaghan, Senator representing Kogi Central, started over a recent seat rearrangement in the Red Chamber. Akpoti-Uduaghan fought fiercely against a new seat position following the rearrangement, alleging that the move was an attempt to silence her. The clash generated mixed reactions on Friday after Akpoti-Uduaghan accused the Senate President of making sexual advances towards her in his office and residence in Akwa Ibom. The allegations spurred reactions from notable Nigerians, including a lawsuit against Akpoti-Uduaghan by Kaite Akpabio, the Senate President's wife. Others have called for an investigation into the claims made by the Kogi Senator. Adding his voice to the debate, Saraki, in a post on social media, said the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges, Public Petitions must probe the allegation tabled by Akpoti-Uduaghan. He added that both parties must submit to the investigation, fully cooperate with the committee, and stake their claims before it. And lastly for tonight, Ubasani, governor of Kaduna State, says those benefiting from insecurity in the state are displeased with the rescue of abducted victims because it disrupts their interest. Sani spoke on Saturday at the council chambers of Kashim Ibrahim House when he welcomed the 58 freed hostages rescued by security operatives. The governor warned politicians against exploiting security issues for political gain, vowing to take action against those worsening insecurity to serve their personal and political agenda. The merchants of insecurity will not be happy with the release of these innocent souls because they are benefiting from insecurity, Sani said. The governor said the success of the non-kinetic approach frustrates those indifferent to public welfare as they merely vent their dissatisfaction on social media. Politicizing insecurity is not opposition, and those elite who are doing so on social media don't really care about the masses, Sani added. They are just posting messages to further the political interests. However, the governor's comment came few days after his predecessor and former ally, Nasir El-Rufai, insinuated that the Kaduna government was paying bandits for the release of hostages. We'll continue to monitor this story for more new development. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.